attempt a repair for 3601 Ingledale Drive, Atlanta, Georgia. Do this shingle here. We'll pull this one out. Obviously, you can see no damages to the immediate ones that we'll have to lift. Start by never lifting our shingles more than a 45-degree angle. And deep nail there. Obviously, never lifting more than a 45. Come on up for me. There we go. Never to lift more than a 45, as you can see. And no nail there. Okay. So we'll have to go here to pop our nail. Come on. There we go. Never to lift more than a 45, as you can see. This one was a little bit high nailed. Never to lift more than a 45-degree angle, as you can see. Should be the last one. Never to lift more than a 45. And there we go. Shingle out. What do we got here? Just a little debris. And we're gonna slide our new shingle in. Bear with me, I'm by myself. That worked. All right, and let's hammer. Never lift more than a 45, keep it in screen. Keep the shingle in frame, as you can see. Never lifting more than a 45. Never lifted more than a 45. My last corner there. As you can see, we've got some granule loss from the tops of our shingles here. And we're gonna replace our nails now. Never lifted more than a 45, as you can see here. We do have some light granule loss. Crease across the top here. Continue to replace our nails here. Never to lift more than a 45, as you can see our granule loss. Never lift more than a 45. As you can see, there's clear granule loss from our lift. And that's our attempt to repair. Thank you.